Alright guys, this video is just to modify the previous video that we did on the NDA 73rd regular course latest news. Okay, on that video we observed that there was something that we supposed to add that was not added, so we try to modify it with this very video. Okay, so make sure you enjoy every moment in this video. Okay, our delight just to give you guys the very best. So you are welcome to today's video with Delight. Okay, I'm Delight by name, and today we are going to be discussing on NDA 73rd regular course list, date and requirement. Okay, and the vital part of this video is the requirement, because the requirement is going to show you what you need to go for the AFSB. That is what you need to go with for the AFSB. And big congratulations to everyone that make it for AFSB. Okay, and before diving into the video, please encourage us by hitting on the subscription button. Okay, just hit on the subscription button to subscribe so that you don't miss any new update. All right, subscribe because we'll be posting video on a regular basis, video that can add value to you. Okay, you have to encourage us by subscribing. Okay, and also if you find this video useful, please give it a like. Okay, give it a thumb up, like this video. All right, and also share this video with your friends. Okay, it's good that you comment on the next video that you love us to cover. All right, and previously we did a video on NDA rules and regulation. Okay, link of that video is in the description of this very video. Okay, make sure you check it and click on it to watch it. You really enjoy it, because as a cadet you need to know some of the important rules and regulations that is guiding the academy. Okay, and very importantly, we did a video on how to gain admission with low JAMB score. All right, on that video we explained some of the vital tips that you need to know and what you need to do in order for you to gain admission with low JAMB score. Okay, and that video, the link of that video is in the description of this very video. Okay, make sure you check it out so that you can watch that very video. Now let's get right to today's video tutorial. All right, now if you have been shortlisted after the NDA screening test, all right, you are to report for an interview before the AFSB, and AFSB stands for Armed Forces Selection Board. Okay, that is going to take place from 14th of August to 25 September. Make sure you take note of that date. Okay, don't forget. And that is going to take place at the school campus. Candidates will appear before the AFSB in 3 batch. Okay, and the first batch, which is the batch A, contains candidates from 13 states, which are candidates from Bayelsa State, candidates from Borno State, candidates from Cross River State, candidate from Ebonyi State, candidate from FC State, candidate from Jigawa State, candidate from Kebbi State, candidate from Kwara State, candidate from Lagos State, candidate from Niger State, candidate from Ogun State, candidate from Sokoto State, and candidate from Taraba State. Okay, I have to report to NDA on Saturday. Okay, make sure you take note of this days, 14th of August to 28th of August 2021. All right, now let's move over to the second batch, which is the batch B. And the batch B contains candidates from 12 states. Okay, don't forget that the batch A contains candidates from 13 states. Okay, while batch B contains candidates from 12 states, and which are candidates from Anambra State, candidate from Bauchi State, candidate from Delta State, candidate from Edo State, candidate from Ekiti State, candidate from Enugu State, candidate from Gombe State, candidate from Kaduna State, candidate from Kano State, candidate from Nasarawa State, candidate from Ondo State, and candidate from Plateau State. Okay, I to report to NDA on Saturday, 28th of August to 11th of September 2021. Okay, make sure you take note of that date. All right, now let's move over to the third batch, which is the batch C. Okay, and the batch C contains candidates from 12 states. Okay, and the states are candidate from Abia State, candidate from Adamawa State, candidate from Akwa Ibom State, candidate from Benue State, candidate from Imo State, candidate from Katsina State, candidate from Osun State, candidate from Oyo State, candidate from Rivers State, candidate from Yobe State, and candidate from Zamfara State. Alright, I have to report to NDA on Saturday. Okay, make sure you take note on Saturday 11th of September 2021. And you need to take this very, very serious, because candidates who fail to report on Saturday 14th of August and candidates who fail to report on Saturday 28th of August and candidates who fail to report on Saturday 11th of September, that is from the first batch, the second batch, and the third batch, respectively, will not be allowed to attend the interview. So you have to take this very, very serious. Alright, now take note of this. Any candidate from the second batch and the third batch that is seen around this NDA premises or environment before 28th of August and 11th of September, respectively, will be disqualified. So you have to take note of it, because it's very, very important. Okay, now you need to take notice of this. All candidates will be accommodated and paid throughout the duration of their stay for the AFSV. Okay, you may be wondering, what am I going to eat? You don't need to bother about that part, okay, because that part will be taken care of. So what you should be bothering is how you can pass the AFSV. And previously we have related videos on how you can pass AFSV. Check on the description of this very video to watch that very video, okay, so that on that video I give some guidelines and which I feel is going to be helpful. So make sure you check out for that video. Okay, now let's move over to the next part. Alright, now you need to take notice of this. All candidates must come along with their bank verification number and their bank account number. Okay, that is to say that you are to go with your BVN printout, okay, and your bank account number. It's very, very important that you take notice of that, so that money will be entering straight into your account. Okay, and also you need to take notice of this. All candidates will undergo a screening exercise, which will involve certificate of credential screening, okay, medical and physical fitness tests, among others. Alright, only candidates who pass the screening exercise will be qualified to continue the interview. Alright, so that is to say that any candidate who fail at any stage of the screening, be it medical screening, be it document verification, will be asked to leave the NDA premises. So it's important that you take notice of this. So candidates must bring along their original and 2 photocopies each of these foreign documents I'm going to list now, so pay attention. Okay, and the first one is your JAMB results slip for 2021, and also 2 photocopies of it, okay, when you are going for your NDA. And also you have to go with your acknowledgement form and your NDA screening admission card. It's very, very important. When you go with the original, it's also good that you go with 2 photocopies of the original. You make sure you take notice of this. Okay, you know what, and also you have to go with your academic certificate, statement of results, and testimonial for primary and secondary school, with junior and senior. Okay, make sure you take note of this. And also you have to go with your birth certificate or age declaration, but preferable it's good that you go with your birth certificate. Alright, and also you have to go with your letter of attestation of state, local government NDG sheet, duly signed by the ASG, and also it can be signed by the chairman of the local government, as the case may be. Alright, make sure you take notice of that. And also you have to obtain certificate from a military officer from the same state of the applicant or candidate, who must be the rank of lieutenant colonel or above, or equivalent in the Nigerian Navy or Nigeria Air Force, be used in place of local government NDG certificate. In this case, okay, the officer must indicate the information you need, and also you have to go with your letter of consent from your parent or your guardian. You know what, candidates are to download the attestation letter and the consent letter from the NDA portal, and candidates who fail to bring those documents will be disqualified, or you fake any of those documents will be disqualified. So it's better you do the right thing and the right thing. You have to go with writing material, and you have to go with 3 blue shorts, okay, and three round neck t-shirt, white round neck t-shirt, something like this. And you have to go with a pair of white canvas shoe, okay, not this type, not this type. So you have to go with a pair of white canvas shoe and 3 white sock. And also you have to go with your toiletry stock. And also you have to go with your non-refundable fee of 2,500 naira, okay, for verification of your result, WAEC or NECO. And also you are advised to go with your scratch card, be it WAEC scratch card or NECO scratch card for confirmation of your result. And also you are advised to go with your 4 recent passport color photograph. And also you are advised to go with the second copy of the postcard that was endorsed in the NDA and Screen Test Center, so you are advised to go with it also. And you have to go with your transport money to Kaduna, and you also have advised to go with your face mask, okay. Alright, and previously we did a video on how to gain admission with low JAMB score. So if you score low in JAMB, don't worry, we have a video that we better explain on the trick and tip that you need to use in order for you to gain back your admission. Okay, make sure you check on the description of this video to watch that very video, okay. Please, if you find this video, give it a like, and thank you for watching, and share this video with your friends. And I love you guys, and I wish you guys success. Thank you for watching.